Hounsfield Boilers manufactures one of the smallest and highly efficient domestic oil-fired boilers on the market. Everything we know about how to make the best possible boiler has been painstakingly engineered into our Tuscan range to provide the perfect combination of efficiency and heating performance. So why choose a Hounsfield boiler? It's the attention to the details of how our boilers are constructed that make them unique. Hounsfield boilers are exceptionally quiet as we fully insulate everything, as you can see here on the cover and the side casings, as well as the heat exchanger. The addition of water jackets into the base and top of the boiler produces a more efficient unit that maximizes the heat transfer area. This also prevents boiler corrosion and results in making them the smallest condensing boilers on the market. Unique to all Hounsfield boilers are neon indicators that are clearly visible through the boiler casing to communicate the boiler status to both the homeowner and boiler engineers. There's a mains power, high temperature cutout, and burner lockout. This prevents unnecessary engineer callouts. The compact control panel features a plug-in mains power supply and a plug-in burner lead, making installation and servicing extremely easy. For additional safety and to protect the boiler, we fit adjustable high limit thermostats set at 90 degrees Celsius. Hounsfield boilers are fitted with Bentone BF1 burners, which is the only domestic burner on the market designed from scratch for condensing technology. The fuel pump is remotely mounted with a drive dog between the pump and the electric motor. This alleviates heat transfer and expensive failure problems. The fuel pump is capable of lifting oil up to 2.5 meters, so there's no need to install deaerators like these. There are optional oil line entry points to the rear of the casing, providing a neat out-of-sight alternative to the conventional front-side entry. The flexible oil line is manufactured from aircraft-grade hose with a Teflon core and a stainless steel braid, making this a lifelong component, as it will not degrade like other hoses manufactured from rubber or thermoplastic. The flexible oil line, fuel isolation valve, and 10mm compression fitting comes pre-assembled with the oil line pre-primed. Discrete laser cut knockouts for flue and water connections provides versatile options when configuring pipework, maintaining the aesthetic appearance of the installed boiler. We are the only boiler manufacturer that supply a paper element oil filter and fittings with the boiler. For peace of mind, we provide an industry-leading, no-quibble 5-year warranty, which covers all components, including pumps and thermostats. Here's a quick reminder of why you should choose a Hounsfield boiler. Fully insulated for whisper-quiet operation, modern heat exchanger design, visible neon indicators, plug-and-play electrics, Bentone BF1 burner, lifelong flexible oil line, discrete laser cut knockouts, oil filter kit included. 5-year, no-quibble warranty, low lifetime costs, made in Britain. Practical design for hassle-free servicing and installation. Please contact us for a copy of our latest brochure.